Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This is where the opening page lives. Once in Settings, focus on Appearance and on Startup sections so you can change behavior. If you plan to use a specific URL, copy it now so you don't fumble. Make sure you are signed into a profile if you want changes to sync. Now that prerequisites are complete, move to modifying the startup preference and entering your preferred pages. Once on Startup, select Open a specific page or set of pages and then click Add a new page. Paste the exact URL and confirm. Repeat for each page you need. Alternatively, make sure tabs you want are open and pick Use Current Pages to capture them instantly. If you prefer the new tab layout, choose Open the New Tab page instead. Make sure to double-check each address for typos so Chrome loads the correct pages when you start it. Finish by closing and reopening Chrome to verify your chosen opening pages load as expected. This confirms the change. If you use multiple profiles, make sure you adjusted the right one, and that sync is enabled if you want consistency across devices. If the new page doesn't stick or a different page appears, check and disable suspicious extensions, then reset settings to default if necessary. Finally, run a quick malware scan when behavior seems like a hijack to restore normal startup behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.